Hi guys, good morning. Hi dear, wow.
Hi.
What a beautiful cap you have from Davao. Today's vlog guys, we're going to cut down this papaya because it's a male papaya and it's not going to bear fruit. Ngayon ko lang actually nalaman guys na pag mga ganitong klaseng papaya pala, pag sobrang daming flowers, male papaya pala yan. Kasi it's in the way eh.
It's casting too much shade.
Oo. So puputulin lang ni Jan. But some people, dear, I'm not sure if you heard about it. There's something in the middle of that papaya. Like they cook.
Oh?
Yeah, I don't know. Hi!
We'll figure it out.
Hi! Hi, Midnight. Come here, Midnight. Come here.
Actually, I may not even have to chop. Here.
Ay, oo. Kasi it's very, soft. Ayun, oh. No, you have to chop.
Oh, I'll make it safer.
Okay. It's very easy to chop, huh?
Yeah, papaya's soft.
Soft. In the middle daw, dear, is very soft. Ayan, oh. Ayan, nakita nyo yan, guys. In the middle, it's soft. No? Not so soft? Aha. Sobrang lumaki agad yung ating guava, dear, no? Look at our guava, guys. It's so big. Ayan. Our papaya. Ayan. Tatanggalan lang ni Jan ng mga laya na dahon. This one. Yep. Sometimes it's hard to remove the, the leaves.
Yeah, you just have to snap them down. I don't know why there's so many brown ones.
Ayun. Oo nga. Ayan. Tinanggal lang namin yung mga laya. So, ayan. Hi, Province. Ayan. Tinanggal ko na yung ibang mga laya dito, dear. Oh. Ayan. Ilagay na lang natin sa basurahan ito. Kasi para hindi siya magkalat dito. Dito ko lang siya nilagay eh. Ayan. Sobrang lalaki ng papaya natin, guys. Magtitinola. I think you can cook tinola today. This afternoon. For dinner, I mean.
Tinola?
Wala bang pork tinola. Chicken tinola. Manguha tayo ng manghingi tayo kay Inday Roning ng manok. Manok Bisaya. Ayan, tanggalan natin ito ng ito parang hindi maganda ang tubo nito. Ayan, dalawa lang kasi yung bunga niya eh. Ayan, tanggalan natin. Okay. Tapos ito maraming bunga. Tignan nyo guys. Tagahawak ko lang siya guys. I mean taga-bewang. Sa mga hindi nakasabot ng Bisaya. Ayan. Hawak kasi is bewang. Ayan. Ito tanggalan natin ng mga laya. Ewan ko kung bakit may mga laya. O tignan nyo yung peach natin oh. Siguro next year mamunga na ito. Sobrang naging malago siya kaagad. Ayan oh. Tapos itong ating blueberry parang namatay siya guys. Ayan oh, may mga laya. Hi Midnight. Ayan, tignan ninyo oh. Sobrang naging siya, healthy. Alam nyo guys, last time, pinakita ko sa inyo sa video natin, parang mamatay nga itong peach natin eh, pero bigla siyang naging nabuhay. No? So ito yung super healthy before, ito naman yung parang mamatay naman siya ngayon. Guys, grabe yung avocado natin dito sa side na ito oh. Sana walang nagnakaw nito. Kasi last time may nahuli kami na nagnakaw dito sa ali eh. Ayan oh, ang daming pungpong doon oh. Pero parang hindi siya ganun kadami ngayon. May nagpapadala din pala ng Hi! Hi, Midnight! I think we're gonna clean this up soon, dear, no? This one or everything.
Yeah, you gotta just pull the black
Okay. Okay. So, lilinisin natin ito, guys. And then, papalitan natin ng ay, nawala na yung eggplant natin.
There's nothing to plant.
There's nothing to plant. Okay. Okay.
Very hot. We have to wait till like October, I think.
October or November?
October.
October, dear. So, because it's gonna be winter by the time that it's already harvesting.
Yeah, but we don't get
October, November, December. Para 3 months ba? Ayan. So, grabe yung papaya natin dito, guys. as you can see. Marami din tayong mga buko sa mga gustong manghingi. Usually sila Ate Lucy lang naman ang nanghihingi dito, sila Gina, sila Kibler. Ayan oh. Sobrang dami ng buko dito. And then dito na side naman is maraming mga star fruits. Ayan oh. So sino yung mga gusto ng star fruits, kuha lang kayo dito sa bahay. Actually, try natin to ibenta. Last time, pumunta kami doon sa Mexican store at nagtry kami na mag-inquire kung bumibili ba sila ng star fruits. Last time kasi wala yung may-ari. Maybe we can go to ano dear, just for fun. Don Victorio. Maybe Don Victorio is around. No, we will try to sell the star fruits because last time, diba, he was not there and then the cashier said that they don't want to accept. No, there's a lot on the rooftop. It's big. Ayun oh. Rooftop, a lot. It's big. Tignan natin kung magkano yung maibenta natin. But we will ask first. Ayan, naglilinis lang si Jan, guys. What happened with our calamansi? No?
I don't know, it does this.
Ayun oh. Bigla siyang naganyan eh. Yung calamansi. Pero may mga bunga pa rin naman, guys. Pero parang it looks like it's dying. The calamansi. But look at our lemon is happy. Happy naman yung lemon natin. Sobrang taas. Ayan, maybe next year magkaroon na tayo ng harvest ng lemon. And then this one, na scam kami. We got scammed with this, with the guava. Looks like it's not a pink guava. Or
I think it's just too early.
it's just too early, no? Let's try it in the next season. May isa tayo na avocado dito. Gusto nyo ba ito? I think we're gonna give it away. Hala, maybe that's from our friend.
Yeah, it is.
Oo. Yung friend namin na actor, guys.
James.
Si James Ferrigno. Okay, wag na natin yung ibigay pala. Okay, ang daming mga avocado. This one is a male papaya or no? Looks like it's not a male papaya. This one.
No,
It's supposed to be bearing.
already,
It's supposed to be bearing fruits now.
No, it'll do it sometime.
Okay, dear, kukunin ko tong hinog na mangga, dear. I will get the mango, dear. This one, oh. It's ripe na, dear, eh. Can you get this one, dear? The ripe mango. I will eat it. Kunin ko lang yung kuhit natin dito. Ha? It's not ripe. No, I want that for our dessert. For my dessert.
It's overripe.
It's okay. Ayan. I-ano mo ako, dear. Hi guys! Harvest tayo ng mangga. Nahinog na siya, guys, dito sa puno. So, kunin na natin. Ayan, oh, sobrang laki ng mangga natin. Ayan! Ito ang Florida mango. Overripe na daw ito, sabi ni Jan. Sobrang sarap nito. Wow! Hala ka, perfect, dear. And it's so ripe na. Ayan, oh. Wow.
It's very squishy, no?
No.
Are you sure?
It's hard.
Oh, it's
Ay, ang bango.
it's a yellow color.
Ang bango. Kainin natin. Wait lang. There's another one eh. I saw ano, taro. Ano ka, ang dami pa pala dito.
There's
darling.
one here.
Ha? There's one? Ripe also?
It's that yellow. You see it?
Ay, oo. Ito. Ay, hala ka. Hindi ko siya makuha, darling. Is there adjusting?
You can't reach?
Adjustable? Ay, ito. Yan.
I think you're going the wrong way.
Ayun. Tignan natin, ha? Hala, kalaki. Mas malaki ito, dear. This is the biggest one. Hala ka, grabe. Parang ilang kilo ito, darling. Looks like it's 1 kilo.
Could be.
Guys, hala ka, grabe.
Not
Ang laki
quite.
nito. Ay, uy.
It's half
Hala,
kilo.
this is the prettiest. This is the prettiest mango. Wow, mas malaki pa siya dito, guys, oh. Kain tayo. Hala, sobrang laki talaga niya, darling.
Uh-oh, your shirt.
Picture. Oh no. I thought I'm wearing white shirt. Now I realize I'm wearing my Ralph Lauren shirt. Hala, ang dami ng mga shirt na nasayang, dear. A lot of shirt ruined.
Yeah.
And not just shirt, it's good shirt. Bakit naman kasi, Johannes? Na ganyan-ganyan ka pa, nasa bahay ka lang naman. Ayan guys, oh. Limitan. Oh, loko, grabe. This is by far the biggest mango I've ever seen. Uy, kunin nyo na lang dito sa... Ay, bigay ko na lang to, dear. I'm gonna give it... Later, somebody will pick up dried fish. So, I will give it to her. Kasi meron pa naman doon eh. And then this one, bigay ko to. Medyo hilaw pa. Ayan, bigay ko to sa kanya. Mag-pick up siya ng dried fish mamaya. Kasi, sharing the blessings tayo. Ayan, sa mga nanghihingi pala ng star fruits, not sure kung mapapadalhan ko kayo kasi last time na nagpadala ako, nalata siya. So, hindi ako makakapagpadala sa inyo siguro kasi ayaw ko naman na mag-expect kayo na fresh pa pagdating sa inyo and then pagdating sa inyo is lata na siya. So, hindi na lang siguro.
You want some mango?
Is that from the ano dear? Outside? Today?
I don't remember. I don't think it's from today. It could be.
It's like tastes like green apple. Not green apple, apple mango.
It tastes like a good mango.
You said this is one of the best mango, right? In Florida?
Yeah. Let me...
Ay, mag-inom talaga siya ng ano eh. Ah, okay. Toothpickin niya. Alright. One for me. And one for you. Lami.
It has a, like it's not quite ripe taste.
So, parang ahap siya.
It's a little sour.
Ay, soury sweet. But I like it like this. It's not very sweet. I don't like very, very sweet.
That would
I
be-
like it.
You could make the salsa for the pork with that.
Salsa. You got it. Ito yung parang, yung asim niya guys is hindi siya sobrang asim talaga. Yung asim niya is pwede mo siyang, yung sa salsa. Salsa nga. Ayan. Ang aga pa natin nagmangga. Anong oras pa lang? 8 or 9:01 pa lang. Umaga. It's really good. Ayoko ng sobrang tamis kasi nakakaumay din pag sobrang tamis. Ito siya, may asim-asim na matamis. It's really good. Approved sa akin.
Approved. All right.
Jen is going to make
Marinated pork.
Cardi. Kuha muna ng kalamansi si Jen dito. Ito, ang dami. Ang daming kalamansi. Hi, Province. Hi.
Followed us.
Yeah. Tama na dear. That's good. Wow. Look at those garden kitty. They missed us.
Look how big the peach tree got.
Wow. It's big. Hi. You're so handsome. Hi, Province. Come here. Province, come here. What happened to your fur? Province is eating grass. Ganyan kasi ang ginagawa ni Junre guys doon sa probinsya. Ganyan yung ginagawa niyang marinade. Malamansi lang at saka toyo and some spices. Okay na, goods na. So gusto ni Jan ata ng grilled pork chop mamaya. Gusto mo pumasok? He wants to come in.
Calamansi, a bit of soy sauce. Hi, Midnight. Hi, are you very hungry?
You're climbing on the furniture? Wow, you're so big. Look at those. Big kitty. Hi. Hey, look at that deer.
Look at what? I already seen it. Whatever you see.
Ano nangyari sa pusa namin, guys? Bigla lang siyang nagkalbo ba? Like, we're getting bald.
She has alopecia.
Mm-hmm.
I'll have to start giving her my medication.
Oh no. Ito po yung pork na binili namin yesterday. It's on sale actually for only
$9.26.
from maybe $20. But looks like it's brown.
It is. It's for a quick sale. So now it's aged.
Aged. If it's steak, it's okay. But since it's pork,
It's fine. They covered up the other price. It's probably the same price.
check natin ha. They cover the old price with the same price.
Oh, and when we were young working in the restaurants,
12.
when we were young working in the restaurants,
Ayan.
the manager would make the specials
$3 off only.
and make the whatchamacallit, the special $1 more than it is on the menu.
Ah!
Like a burger with la la la, it would be $1 more than the menu price.
Oh, and they say special? Special should be discounted.
Right.
Here's that. What do you know?
I'm looking for a longer knife. I want a longer knife. How thick do I make them?
Ay! Do we still have rice? That's the question.
Yeah, we still have rice.
Then magsasaing ako. Magsaing na lang ako, guys.
Yes, you got one of these.
Ay, we forget cucumber.
Because you like this so much.
No?
We got a lot of stuff. We have a lot of stuff we need.
Kasi mas masarap ito pag may radish and cucumber. Kasi ganun yung ginagawa ng kapatid ko. Lagyan niya ng radish, cucumber, ang grilled pork. Aga.
Do one before the other.
Hi. Happened to you?
Your fur, it doesn't, well, it comes out a little bit. I don't know what happened. Are you molting?
Bakit siya ano guys,
Is that from nerves, huh? You're nervous we're not coming home? You don't have fleas. I don't see any evidence. Your skin looks good. I don't know what happened.
Natatanggal yung balahibo niya guys. So hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. Hi, Midnight.
Is Midnight being mean to you? Huh? What happened? We won't leave you. Just for a little while. Kate was here taking care of you.
Right?
You guys got nothing to worry about.
Come
You're
here.
wild kitty cats. You're wild.
Mm-hmm. We love you and we miss you. We love you and we miss you. Let me see. Let me see. You know. Maybe you'll be the first bald cat.
Maybe it's stress related.
Mm. You're stressed? Why? Because we're not here?
Maybe.
Now we're here.
As antisocial as she is,
Mm-hmm.
this guy's the boss.
Mm-hmm. Taga saan ka dito sis? Sa US? Ah, malapit ka yan sa Florida? Work, 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 work. La, 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 la. With the rice, of course. Don't forget the rice. Did you check your blood sugar today?
Me, no. No need.
No need. Because we already know.
Mm-hmm.
Ako guys, 99, so I'm still allowed.
I certainly thought I'd weigh more than I do. I think the scale's broken.
Uh-oh. Hopefully not, because mine's correct. Where's yours? Where's mine? It's the same.
Oh, looking at the rice, that's yours.
Alright. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're welcome, darling.
Dinner. First dinner. Cooked dinner. Ah, no. Second. Oh, yeah, first. Because earlier was lunch. So earlier was first lunch. Now it's first dinner.
We bought dinner out.
Yep. Alright. Nagtuyo pa rin talaga si Jan sa kanin niya.
Always.
Always tuyo talaga yan si Jan sa kanin.
Just
Eh?
tastes better. For me.
Kanin pa lang yun ha. Na.
What do you think?
It's okay. You're right. Better in the Philippines. But it's still good.
I think there's a secret in their sauce. Could be vinegar. I didn't use any vinegar, and maybe more calamansi juice.
That's satisfactory. Morning si Sue. Hi dear, this is Sue. Ano sabi yung pangalan? Sue?
Sue.
Susan!
Susan!
Hi, Susan.
Susan from Cagayan de Oro.
From where?
Cagayan de Oro.
Mm.
Oh, no? Tama ba?
Mindanao.
Mindanao. In Mindanao also.
Mindanao.
But she's far away from
Oo.
our
Sam
place.
lang. Nakabot po ko malang. Okay, nama ko sa Cotabato City, nag-eskwela. Nga, excited ko sa mga baligya ba?
Kani, unya, kani po ang usa.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, akong gi-make sure. Akong gi-make sure.
Color?
Dili. Lahig design.
Lahi. Okay, yes,
Oh.
yes.
Akong gi-make sure kay halos mo pare-parehas na magud sila. Tapos butangan dahil ako pangalan. Unya, gusto ko ag sabon nako.
Unsa nga sabon?
Korean, made in Korea. Nagpahimo gyud ko.
O di ay, wapo ko kasuway. May
Oh.
para asa man na siya.
Face.
Oh.
Oo. Suway, bisag ko sara.
Sige, duha na. Duha na may
Oh,
gawin.
duha.
Duha. So,
Okay.
pati nakay ka ng mga cream or face?
Wala pa ko.
The blessings daw sa neighbor, yung mga bridayon, bintana.
Mga bre.
Para ma-share ni mo ang baho.
Unya,
Ulad na ni mo.
na ako'y nukos, na ako'y danggit.
Oo, kana. Ang nukos, pinikas o kanang pinsel?
Ay, kani, ambot o ganahan baka ano na pusa. Wait lang ha. Pencil siguro ni, kay talinis man. Pencil kay talinis. Ayun, pag-hi sa akong vlog. Ma'am Susan from Cagayan de Oro. Namakyaw siya, guys. Pero unom ra daw.
Tama na, ready to tulog.
Unom ra daw iya, guys. Kay basig makidney na po kinaon. Sobrang dami ko nang naumpisahan. Nandito na ako kay Rosie Hanson. Ayan, 2 pusit, 1 danggit, 1 lapu-lapo, at 1 anupin. Okay. 2 pusit, 1 danggit, 1 lapu-lapo, and anupin. Anupin. Katambak, salmonite. Ito ata yung anupin. Okay, pag walang pangalan, anupin. Ayan. Okay. Tapos, isi-seal ko lang siya. Ayan. Sa mga nagtatanong po, or gustong mag-order ng per kilo, nagpatanong na po ako, guys, via DHL. Pwede daw pala silang dito, Rosie Hanson. Pwede daw palang magpadala dito sa US. And tinatanong ko na yung ino-orderan ko kung magkano yung per box. Kasi baka malugot tayo, guys. Kay Alicia Lopez. So, all of the above siya. Meaning to say, okay, anupin. Yung isa, sinasabi ko po sa kanila, guys, na pag nag-order, tag-iisang pack lang po para marami po tayong mabigyan. Okay, 1 anupin, 1 salmonite, 1 mulmol, ayan, anupin, and then tuna, and then lapu-lapu, and then salmonite. I'm calling John Ray now to give him the bad news. The bad news is we're bringing Audrey to America.
Yan siya mag-school.
Para diri siya mag-school. Kung musugot si Audrey. Uy!
Still asleep. Wow.
Still asleep at 8 natulog na siya.
Oh, not still asleep. Asleep.
Tulog na taon. Tulog kayo.
Ug musugot si Dada ug si Mama niya. If Dada and Mama musugot,
Uya po na mo, oy.
dear no, if Mama and Papa will approve,
They would have to approve.
Dapat bago siya mag-16, makaari na siya. Nya, mga 3 years ang kuan ana process, 3 years. So tama gid nga mo graduate siya high school. Nya diri siya mag-college. Pero i-adapt po na mo si Audrey. Hala, guba ang nawong ni John Ray, dear.
Huh?
His face was sad.
Uh-huh.
Umiyak siya, dear, si John Ray.
I'm sure.
It's up to you, oy. Pwede po si John Ray mo ari. John Ray can also come here to visit next year.
Yan ang eskwela di ay.
Gotta get a
Eskwela
pass.
di ha.
Gotta get a passport.
Passport. Kuhanan mo na siya ng passport.
Yan. Gato na ang eskwela di ha.
Nag-arrange si Jan o sa amo ang pantry. May parte ng gubuta. Gilabay na mo mga expired, dear. Do you throw all the expired?
Expired.
Yung panong takon nga dra, kaya rin ang hagbas sa karang.
Gani.
Nothing's expired.
Manilig.
I'm putting away all the stuff.
Ah,
Put
okay.
it away.
Dili, kani.
Everything,
Wala siya.
everything's stacked.
Murag na sila ko Andre sa Amerika ba nga pwede ka pwede ka mag-adapt og imong kapamilya tapos libre na ang college. Wala na problema. Nya si Audrey man kay naman siya pangarap maging chef. Libre siya dire, pwede siya. At least legal. At least para sa pud sa future ni Audrey.
Chef in the house.
Tapos para napoy kauban si Daddy Honey, si Daddy Jandres Balay. For example, for example, muli mi Pilipinas. O dapat tapoy tawad diri sa balay. Antay pod. Pero mo lagi na kailangan ma-adapt na siya. Mahimo na siya og weekly.
Audrey Bickley. That sounds.
That sounds very American.
Yes.
Kay si Audrey, ingon man gud si Jan, kay si Audrey is smart kid. Audrey also has a dream na siya pangarap. So, katong man gud akong follower, isa, nakastorya na ko gabi na siya nga mag-adapt na lang kaog imuhang pamangkin.
Our first.
First
Our first
guava
guava.
found on the ground. Pink guava gid ani siya, dear. Wow.
Mango.
Ito na prelat at ang gingang mangga na.
Oh, Florida, dagko kayo.
Dala di kagliso na.
Bawal.
You have to eat that today.
The customs will not allowed immigration. The customs will not allowed.
The food.
Baho very strong odor. Pink ni siya Pink guava. Pero ikaw pangutan-on, sugot ka nga diri si Audrey. Pero dugay pa man, 3 years pa man.
Hindi, kaya na sa mag-college.
Gani.
Supposedly it's covered.
Musugot ka nga diri siya. Ayun na.
Uh-oh.
It's not pink guava.
It's not anything.
We are prank.
It's ugly.
Ugly. It's very sweet. What about the mango?
No, the
Later.
mango.
Green.
I want ripe mango.
So,
not
ayun
green.
lang guys. I'm just giving John Ray the news. Mamaya tatawag ako sa aking ang tawag nito? Tatawag ako sa Oscar Insurance. Kasi meron silang online lang Tatawag ka lang online. So, para kang magpapa-check up online. Kasi yung, Makati yung lalamunan ko. So, kailangan ko ng, alam ko meron pa ako dito natira dear Ayan, I still have darling.
What is it?
Benzonate.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah. This is for cough. And I don't know if there is a kuan with this one dear.
What do you mean a koan?
There is an expiration.
Who cares? There's no such thing.
And I forgot already. Take 1 capsule by mouth 3 times a day as needed. As needed for cough. Okay. So I'll take this one. Ilan na lang? Meron akong 1, 3 times a day. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 days. Kung I-take ito.
I don't know where they are.
Do we want to walk there today?
We should go now.
We should go now. Mag-walking na muna kami ni John, guys. Mag-oregano oil tayo. Ilalagay natin sa water yan dear, di ba? But not the sparkling water, right? This is what we use.
Oh,
If
no,
we
you
have
can
cup.
you can use sparkling water with that.
Oh, I thought
It's
it's not allowed.
It's the whatchamacallit, the fiber. You can't use sparkling.
Ah, okay. 3, no? Ay,
Spider web. It's been there so long.
3.
Yeah, try 3. You know it's very strong.
It's very strong kasi. So we use this, guys, oil of oregano.
Just pour your water very hard in there instead of stirring it
Ah, okay.
because it's gonna stick to the spoon. Yeah. Then chug it down.
Chug it down.
Yeah.
It's very kuan. 1, 2, 3. It's really recommended for cough.
Yes. It's antibacterial. It's got a lot of good factors.
California kami.
Ah, sa California.
Oo.
Kumusta po? Saan kayo sa atin?
Sa Luzon kami.
Luzon. Ano po ang name niyo, sir? Parang baliktad man dito.
Edgar.
Edgar. Oh, hi to my vlog. Sir
Hello.
Edgar from Luzon. Finally. Palagi siyang nanonood. Palagi po siyang nanonood sa aking YouTube.
Nakabalik lang, napalit ko ka, no? Nakabalik na kayo. Tapos lahat yung pinanonood namin.
Salamat.
Susubaybayan na
Nandyan po
namin.
ang mga pamilya po ninyo. Nandito na sa US lahat. Oh, nandito na pala ang pamilya ni sir sa US. Ito po yung ipakita ko sa iyo ha, ang
Hindi ko kasi kilala yung ibang isda kaya
ako din, hindi ko rin kilala kasi. Yung mol is ganito po, yung parang green. Ayan na pinikas. Oo. Tapos yung kanina, yung anopin, ganyan po siya. Yung anopin. Tapos, mayroon ako dito.
pakita kita sa misis ko.
Ay, sige.
Kasi pinanonood ka namin
Oy, salamat. Yun pala ang libangan ninyo, manonood ng YouTube. Ayan, oy, shout out sa mga kababayan natin na nanonood sa Johannes and John. Where are you? Where in California?
Sacramento.
Ah, Sacramento. We've been there.
Wait. Buti pumayag ka nga, Yuga, kasi hindi nagpapakul
No, kailangan kasi kagaya nito, hindi natin alam kung ano yung itsura.
Oo.
Kasi
Usually talaga, pag uma-order ako, gusto ko tumatawag din kasi
para legit. Ito ay solid dried fish. Ito, ganyan ang itsura niya. Solid
sige.
dried fish. Okay, wala na ito. Yung mga tag-iisa. Gusto mo, isa na lang din. 30 ito eh. Isa na lang. Pusit.
Sige. Nakakatuwa na first time ko nakakakuha ng vlogger na meron akong pamangkin na nagbablog yung kasama ni
Sa Pinas?
si Nikong TV.
Hi guys! So finally, almost done na ako sa mga orders natin ng dried fish. Actually, mol-mol na lang at saka anopin yung available. Sa mga hindi po alam kung ano yung mol-mol at anopin. Pero I think by the time na mapanood nyo ito guys, is not available na din. No? So, ito na lang. Only this available, darling. Anopin.
Only a little.
Yeah.
That was fat.
5 and 5. Ayan, 5 pieces available. Anopin and
What color is that one?
green. Looks like green. And also, this one, we're gonna keep this one. I have 2 bags here of TikTok products. Ayan, I purchased from the Philippines and I brought it here and I will do live selling soon, but Americans cannot avail with this one. No, Filipinos in the US cannot avail of this. So it's only in the Philippines kasi affiliate po ako sa TikTok Shop Philippines. So ito ila-live ko to, may mga sandals, may mga a lot of things. Shirts, sandals, car stuff, coffee, juice, lotion, mga electric fan, shoes, name it. Hinakot ko na. Actually, kulang pa to guys. Next time kapag uwi ako ng Pilipinas, mamimili ulit tayo. You had, that's why you have, anxiety.
Yes.
You're playing yet?
John is now busy.
Oh, wow! Uy! Bako naman ang mga medisina naman. You have a lot of vitamins. Vitamins.
Oh, yeah. A lot of vitamins.
Hi, dear!
How's it going?
Good.
Good.
Hey, look! We found this on Costco. And then Steve's like, is that the one that John recommended?
Pag marami mag-order ng dried fish.
Pero kasi, yung flight ng Emirates Manila to Dubai, maliit lang yung business class seat.
B1.
B1 daw yung sabi ni John, pang anxiety.
B1! Huh?
Fill lang ako guys na mixed nuts. Dito. Actually, in-introduce ni John ito sa kanyang boss and from then, nagustuhan na nila, right?
Loob ng para. Tapos lagyan ko ng light. Tatry ko kung bumunga. Papadala ko sa'yo kapag pag bumunga siya.
Sige, she's asking for dear, malunggay branch. We can get it.
Nakakatawa naman. Nakakausap kita na. Papanood lang kita gabi-gabi. Lagi kitang hinahanap.
Oy, you're watching my YouTube. Thank you.
Everyday.
Cecil.
Wala.
Saan ka nga dito, sis?
New Jersey.
New Jersey.
Yes.
Sige,
I didn't really look at them lately.
Because I know we still have a lot in the back. Kasi tinanggal na namin yung malaki. Lalaki kasi talaga yan siya, sis. Remember, we had a really hard time removing
Yes,
the...
I saw you guys
Oh, yeah.
cleaning it up.
That was amazing how hard that was.
It's the roots is bigger than the tree.
Oh, wow.
Oo.
I planted in a big pot, tapos nalagay ko sa sunroom para... Wala kasi kami malunggay dito. Kahit frozen, it's hard to get.
Wow.
Healthy daw kasi talaga yan, diba?
Oo.
So,
Hi guys, nandito na yung mag-pick up ng aming mga packages. Tinatapos ko lang itong pag-print ng label. See,
Rainy day afternoon.
rainy
every
day. Hi guys! Good evening! Ayan. So, bago tayo mag-end ng vlog natin, magkukwentuhan lang tayo. And, nagpe-prepare lang si Jan ng aking dinner. Actually, kumain na si Jan. You ate already, dear, no?
Yes.
You had soup,
Yes.
chicken soup, and then rice. Kasi masama yung pakiramdam ni Jan. Ay, ito na pala, oh.
Do you want it in a cup or in a bowl?
No, in a bowl is fine. And then, thank you so much pala kay Ma'am Sally. Kasi, eto, binigyan niya ako ng fresh pandesal. Ayan, kakaluto lang nito kanina. So, magkakape sana ako kaagad. Kaso nga lang, inaantok talaga ako. So, pag alis ni Ma'am Sally kanina, natulog kaagad ako. Pinick up niya lang kasi yung dried fish dito kanina. Guys, hindi ko natapos kaagad na ipaship lahat ngayon. Pero tomorrow morning, ipapaship natin yung the rest. Sa dried fish, okay na. Kasi yun talaga yung inuna ko. Yung sinasabi ko na iba is yung mga malong. Hindi ko siya napadala kaagad. So, may naghihingi din kasi sa akin ng mangga. So, hindi ko siya na harvest yung mangga. And then, may naghihingi din sa akin ng tangkay ng malunggay. Wow. Chicken broth
Mm-hmm.
and rice. You cook another rice, right?
No, same
Ah,
rice.
okay. I thought you cook another rice.
No, just cheating.
Huh?
Looks nice, actually.
Hello?
Soft.
That's very nice, actually. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
Parang siyang arroz caldo na walang manok. Ay, masarap siya. In fairness. Diba? Simple pagkain lang. Napapasarap ni Jan.
I know it is. I can't get enough.
You may want to paksi-paksi.
Oh, it's got cheese inside.
That's why.
Wow.
Sarap, no?
Very syrup.
Regarding pala guys sa pag-a-adapt namin kay Audrey dito, I think it's not going to be easy, especially that both parents of the child is still alive. So, I think we have to prove that they cannot send their child to college or something like that. And kasi parang ano nga naman guys, parang inano mo lang siya para makapunta dito sa US, di ba? So, parang hindi daw yun reason para ma-approve. Pero may mga tutulong naman daw, like, yung nakausap ko kasi kahapon is, meron siyang kakilala na may agency talaga, legal process talaga, and mabilis lang daw talaga. Kaso nga lang gagastos ka ng around $50,000. So, yun. $50,000 ang gagastusin mo. And also, mababalik naman daw sa you guys. Ibabalik naman daw sa IRS. Pero tinanong ko kasi siya kung balik na ba yun sa kanya. Sabi niya hindi pa daw. Kasi next year pa daw siya magpa-file. And then, sa case kasi niya, nag-adapt siya kasi wala ng parents yung bata. My friend that was here earlier,
Yeah.
she had surrogacy in Georgia, not in Georgia here, USA, Georgia and Europe, and she's having twins.
Wow.
Yeah. So, because she said that if you want to do the surrogacy here, not sure it will cost like one house. That's what she said.
Yes.
She was asking me, do you want surrogacy, Johannes, so that it will be your own child? Sabi ko, if I have money, why not? Di ba, dear? If we have money, why not? But I think it's really a responsibility. Big responsibility to have your own child.
Double time job.
And then, especially when it's a baby. No? Still a baby. No? And especially she's having twins. So, for example, magpasurrogacy kami ni Jan. And we paid a lot. And then we're having twins. So, it will not end there. Once the baby labor, once the mother gave birth, it will not stop your obligation. That's the start of your obligation. So, actually, mutual decision namin ni Jan na hindi kami magsurrogacy. Pero ngayon nga, na may ganyan sanang option, no? Na papuntahin dito yung pamangkin, i-a-adapt namin ni Jan. Pero we'll see. Sino sa mga kababayan natin ang may idea sa ganyan, okay ba? Pero depende din yan sa bata. Hello. Hi, Jude. Mamiss ni mo si Kuya Audrey.
Where'd you get your hat?
What?
Where'd you get your hat?
Where'd you get your hat?
The Jollibee.
Wow. Fits perfectly.
Mhm. Yan sa inyo ni Audrey. Ano siyang giingnan?
Wala. Kaya kasi may excited siya.
Niya si Mama. Ano siyang giingnan?
Hindi mo sagot yan, Nan.
Uy! Siya masugot?
Kaya minaundo siya ng Audrey.
Uy! Kauntag sa bawaan eh. Masugot mo.
Ambot yan, Nan.
Masugot ka, An? Dili na si...
Diyan na eh.
Hoy! If I ask John Ray, ambot. If I ask An, ambot ni John Ray.
O di nang mas maayo nga plano ni mo eh.
Ay, ambot siguro ni Audrey. Basig maingong dili ko dito, oy.
Ang tanga mo kasi siya kuhan niyang pa-eskwela niya. Sayang ang po diyang kuhan.
Sayang
Hindi
manggulyan
na
ka.
siya premente.
Sayang manggulyan ka. Sayang
Kaya
manggulyan.
ka na mag-eskwelahon.
Kaya eh. Siyempre, tabangan maghihapon. Pero ang ako amang god, mas daghan siya future dere. Nya gusto siya mag-chef, no? Nya, libre raman. Pag-eskwela dere hangtod college. O mag-chef siya sa culinary ang gusto. O, di? Daghan na kay siya kuan. Bisag asa siya mga apply. Apply siya warko. Do you know? He can work in the ship. Cruise ship. But I don't think he will do that. If he graduate here, he might work in Palm Beach. Because he have a lot of nakagkaila si Jan ba nga mga milyonaryo.
Sila mo si Audrey eh. Umuli ka Audrey.
Mm.
Ba't kuning na si Audrey? Katulog na.
Kasi ma-excite siya, no?
Kasi hindi na siya kapokus sa eskwela noon. Sige na siya pumalita.
Igo pa siguro na makagraduate siya high school.
Huwag mo na yung edad daw. Tama to ka no? 12 siguro.
12, 13, 14. Sakto. If Audrey is still 12, it's okay that the process will be 3 years or longer.
Right.
So he can still graduate in high school.
Dito na lang kay very behave.
Uy!
Ikan no grade 1 di eh.
English na eh?
Who's having time why?
Yeah, go there with
With
Like,
mama
alam mo
na.
yung mama.
Na may +1. So ayun, kinausap ko na yung kanilang parents and okay naman sa kanila guys. Aprobado naman sa kanila na i-adapt namin si Audrey. Pero syempre, decision pa rin ng bata ang masusunod. And since 12 pa siya, may 4 years pa na time na makapag-isip pa, no? And I think kakausapin daw ata yan ng mga DSWD or ganyan sa Pilipinas. Parang ano yan siya joint approval yan ng Philippine government and US government, no? Looks like it's a joint approval. Has to be from Philippine government, Philippine adaptation process or US adaptation process, mga ganun. So we'll see, more will be revealed kasi marami naman ang gumagawa ng ganyan, legal process naman. And meron daw attorney na Filipino na mayroon daw agency dyan sa Pilipinas na posible daw natutulong sa amin ni Jan. Kami kasi talaga is gusto namin na syempre magkaroon din ng baby, no, sa legal na paraan. Pero hindi dun sa mahal na paraan. Kasi mahal na paraan is yung surrogacy. Maghanap ka pa ng nanay, and then gaya dun sa friend ko kanina, naka 5 attempts daw siya to get a surrogacy. 5 attempts, imagine. Maybe there's lots of miscarriage or what, didn't match the egg, the donor, something like that. There's lots of factors to consider when you do surrogacy. And then finally, nabiyayaan naman siya ng twins. Congratulations sa iyo, ma'am. 'Di ba? It's a blessing. Naalala ko nga si Joel Cruz, ganyan yung sa kanya, 'di ba? Surrogacy. And then, nakailan siya? Puro twins. May triplets pa nga eh. Siguro may 9 siya na anak. Mga 3 twins. At saka 3 twins and 1 triplets. Parang ganun. So, ayun lang guys. Kasi kung may katuwang na kami ni Jan dito, mas maganda. No? Mas easier ang life kapag ka may katuwang. So that's it for now. I will just give you an update. Matagal-tagal pa naman, no, ang proseso na gagawin natin. Hindi pa nga ako na citizen eh. Antayin ko muna na mag-citizen ako. Kasi hindi naman pwede na green card ka, mag-petition ka, or mag-adopt ka. Dapat you are both US citizen. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching my vlog for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Mag-i-edit lang ako, and then yung mga malong na iba, ipapadala ko na siya ngayon. Ipapaship ko na siya. I mean, ibabox ko na siya ngayon para tomorrow, diretso shipping na siya sa morning.